Man, that's down for some budget subs in a prefab box, dude.
Yeah.
Did a really good job. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Very nice. Oh, the 600 RMS Dead Game subs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they do alright.
So, could you tell me your name and what's up your
Shawn.
name? Okay.
From Macon, Georgia.
Yes, sir. It's a nice custom box. Looks good.
It's actually not custom.
It looks custom. It's prefab?
Yeah, it's prefab.
Really? Okay.
That's 4 cubic foot from ADAR Audio.
Okay.
So.
Yep. So it's probably just a stack fab built box you just put together, or it was already made.
Yeah, I just took everything. I sealed it off, the trunk off. Yeah, nice. Those require 2.25 cubic feet. Box is 4, so I just converted it to get
okay.
A little extra.
And you have it on what amp?
Terrence Smart 3K.
Okay.
Let's see here.
Any kind of electrical upgrades?
I just got 2 2-aught wire ran from the front battery to the back, and got a little small ENERGIE battery back there. Cool. Got a excess power D3100 on the way. I was hoping to be here before today, but
that'll help a lot too.
That'll help a lot.
Yep.
I'll turn my headlights on. Hondas have regulated power.
Mm-hmm. What was your frequency on it that you peak at? Do you know?
No, I don't know. I just know I just did a 140.4 on my first run. I got another run to go. Sweet.
Oh yeah, easily a 42 out of this at least, or more.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Can I see the back real quick? Nice. It's a nice prefab box.
Yeah.
Looks good. And this is at 1 ohm, 2 ohm?
Yeah, 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. There you go. You really sealed into the trunk too.
Yeah, I had a MTX jackhammer on it, and I got this because that jackhammer kept getting hot back here in the trunk.
Yeah.
And this one, man, it just gets, that's about as warm as it gets for this whole thing.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vila. Hope you enjoyed the walk arm we just got of Shawn's system. Dual 12-inch subwoofer build, only 600 watt RMS subwoofer, so very budget friendly subwoofer, entry level, and we're going to get it to see how it sounds today. So thank y'all for watching my daily cardio videos. Every single day I try to bring y'all something different, and we got a budget banger today. You got to stay tuned for the great demo we're about to show. Shout out to Shawn. Everybody give him a like if you haven't already. As well, be sure to comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. Really like the way he added a piece of wood platform and foam on top of the box and around the box layer to kind of seal off the trunk from the cabin. That gave him a little bit more output, I'm sure, and it helped prevent some of his back hacks and trunk area from flexing as much. There's still some good bit of flex my wife got. You'll see in the video on that. And he's running an efficient 3000 watt amplifier on 2 600 watt subs. Gives it really efficient power to the sub ratio. And lastly, inverting the subs gave him a little bit more box space. Anybody with a small box, try inverting it. It might give you a little more output. Anyway, that's all I got to say. Subscribe for daily cardio videos and enjoy the impressive bass demo on some budget bangers. for some budget subs in a prefab box, dude.
Yeah.
Did a really good job.
Appreciate it.
I like it, man. I know you haven't. How low is your voltage dropping right now before the upgrade?
12.2.
12.2. Okay. It would probably hold mid-13s or higher with that battery. Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah,
awesome.
only on certain zones it gets down. Keep about 14.1 until I hit the real low.
Yes, sir. What was your frequency on it that you peak at? Do you know?
No, I don't know. I just know I just did a 140.4 on my first run. I got another run to go.
Sweet. Oh yeah, easily a 42 out of this at least or more.
That's
sure.
what I'm hoping for.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you for the demo. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.